Join the best workshops and classes in Atlanta, where you can learn new skills in photography, art, cooking, and more, with expert guidance. Historic Market Food Tour Biscuit class. Experience the pinnacle of Atlanta culinary delights within a dynamic 2-hour session. Embark on an unparalleled gastronomic journey as you sample 9 delectable dishes from 5 renowned food vendors located in Atlanta's illustrious Old Market. This exclusive culinary adventure promises to transform you into skilled Southern chefs, where you'll master the art of crafting authentic Southern biscuits. Through immersive instruction, delve deep into the rich tapestry of Atlanta history while gaining invaluable insights into Southern cuisine and Georgia's iconic flavors, such as peaches, collards, and pecans. Our expert instructors guide you through every step of creating these cherished Southern staples, ensuring your culinary skills soar to new heights. Nestled amidst Atlanta's storied past, this unforgettable dining extravaganza offers a refreshing respite from the scorching summer sun and relentless downpours. Enjoy an engaging and educational experience inside Atlanta's most revered marketplace, which has been ranked among America's top 10 markets by USA Today. Atlanta wood-fired pizza-making class with Classpop. Chef Chris offers an engaging culinary journey where participants can master the art of crafting slow-rise pizza dough. Through hands-on guidance, chefs will demonstrate the correct methods for kneading, stretching, and shaping dough to achieve the pinnacle of pizza excellence. Participants will have exclusive access to their very own dough, allowing them to create pizzas tailored to their personal preferences. In this class, chefs will also introduce a selection of fresh and flavorful toppings, including basil, cherry tomatoes, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. These ingredients will be used to elevate each pizza to the status of a margarita masterpiece. During the cooking session, attendees will enjoy sipping on locally brewed beverages, enhancing the overall dining experience. Classpop. Cooking classes are meticulously crafted to facilitate social interactions among participants, ensuring that no prior experience is necessary. Georgia Aquarium. Harbor Seal Animal Encounter. With a unique harbor seal encounter, visitors will have the opportunity to explore the Cold Water Quest Gallery and witness approximately 30 minutes of interaction with the seals at Georgia Aquarium's Aquarium Home. This exclusive tour offers insight into the facilities and a specialized educational presentation, focusing on the behavior, conservation, diet, and other aspects of the seals' lives. Participants will engage in a hands-on training session under the guidance of Georgia Aquarium's expert animal trainers. This interactive segment provides an unparalleled perspective on the daily routines and interactions between humans and seals. A professional quality photograph will be taken during the event, ensuring that attendees can capture memories for sharing with loved ones. The program also serves as an informative journey through the aquarium, offering an intimate look at the behind-the-scenes operations and the dedication required to care for marine mammals like harbor seals. This immersive experience combines educational value with practical engagement, making it an unforgettable opportunity to learn about seals firsthand while enjoying a memorable photographic souvenir. Atlanta, perfecting handmade pasta with Classpop. Chef Chris, a renowned culinary expert with extensive training in Italy, offers an engaging gastronomic journey through the art of pasta making. Aspiring chefs will discover the intricacies of crafting authentic pasta, from start to finish under his guidance. The workshop begins with an introduction to traditional pasta dough preparation, meticulously demonstrating the correct methods for kneading and resting the dough to achieve optimal texture and flavor. Following this foundational skill, Chef Chris proceeds to instruct on rolling out and cutting the dough into various shapes, including fettuccine. Once the dough has been prepared, Chef Chris delves into the world of homemade pasta sauces, offering a selection of both classic options, a fragrant basil hazelnut pesto and a bold, fiery cherry tomato sauce. Each recipe is carefully crafted to highlight the unique characteristics of fresh ingredients, and timeless Italian techniques. Throughout the session, participants enjoy their creations, savoring the rich flavors of their homemade pasta dishes. By the end of the experience, attendees will have gained valuable skills and confidence in preparing their own artisanal pasta at home.